Welcome everyone to another YouTube video. Gonna do the non-ferrous today. Taking in some old roll aluminium, some HE9, some cast aluminium, stainless steel, household wire, motors, some more household wire, brass, copper, singles, and some cylinder cast. Right guys, just took in the non-ferrous. Old roll aluminium, 25 kilograms at a rate of 930 a tonne, paid 23.25. Aluminium cuttings, took in 2 kilograms at 900 a tonne, that paid £1.80. Clean HE9, took in 3 kilograms at a rate of 1350, that paid £4.05. Aluminium cast, took in 4 kilograms at a rate of 975, that paid £3.90. Household cable, took in 9 kilograms at a rate of 2180, that paid £19.62. Electric motors, took in 31 kilograms at a rate of 670 a tonne, that paid £20.77. Amateur motors, low grade, took in 23 kilograms at a rate of 250 a tonne, that paid £5.75. Household cable, 7 kilograms at a rate of £2,080 a tonne, that paid £15.26, and I paid £5 for that lot. Stainless steel, 7 kilograms at a rate of 820 a tonne, that paid £5.74. Cylinder cast, 16 kilograms at a rate of 220 a tonne, that paid £3.52. Lead, took in 6 kilograms at a rate of 1250 a tonne, that paid £7.50. Brass, took in 6 kilograms at a rate of 3760 a tonne, that paid £22.56. 98 copper, took in 3 kilograms at a rate of 5875 a tonne, that paid £17.63. And singles, 1 kilogram at a rate of 3230 a tonne, that paid £3.23. And that, the total of all that is 154.58 pence for the non-ferrous. I also went in with mixed steel. First one I took in 920 kilos and that paid 151. And the second one I took in 1 ton and 60 kilograms and that paid 174. I also went to Mr. John's and he brought £70 worth of appliances and fuel was £60, leaving a total of £489. I worked for about 18 hours this time, so that makes the hourly wage £27.16. But if you add the sales that I've had from scrapping within that time frame of 136.53p, it makes the total for the 18 hours with sales £625.53p. So with sales the hourly rate's gone up to £34. Not bad for a part-time scrapper, eh? Let's see you on the next one.